was at the edge. I was at the end. Make me feel like that. Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Manifa, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, hold on, let me get my products then. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a weekly deep condition routine. The deep condition that I'm gonna be using in this week deep condition routine is gonna be some dollar store thing. What is it called? I think this is the Shea Moisture dupe or something. It's called Shea Solution Deep Conditioner made with shea butter. I seen this all over YouTube, Dollar Tree deep conditioner. So I wanted to try it and see if it actually works. So if you guys would like to see that, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This is why I don't need this rolly chair, because I'll just be moving around. But anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all my social media down below. And yeah, continue to watch this video. So y'all, I already washed my hair. Look at this part of my head ashes. So hold on. Ooh. My hair is moisturized anyways, but you know, we're gonna moisturize it even more. Okay, so what I do for my deep condition routine, I section my hair off in 2 sections, and then once I get to this side, I'm gonna split this in 2. So I'm gonna start with this side, and just make sure you saturate the side with water. Okay, you guys, so for the rest of the video, I'm going to fast forward it because basically I'm doing the same thing to the rest of my hair. So you guys stay tuned, keep watching, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.